Guys, this is our prosperity ball Himalayan lamp. So you might ask unsay gamit ani. So as we know that Himalayan salt lamp is a good reliever, stress reliever, good for asthma or allergies, or like you're very tired. So this prosperity ball has two in one chart, 3 in 1 di ay. First, the benefits. Second is good for your house. And third, this is amazing. Kani siya kay, naman siya bulb. This is the bulb. Change na ko ang iyahang naman siya controller. So, akong i-adjust usang light so you can see the bulb. That's the bulb. So, the chunks that closer to the bulb is hot. So you're going to try this one, and you can put or at the back, or you can put on the face. Actually,
It really hurts.
at the back, like you have pain
Put
back.
it in my back.
Yeah. So like here, so you can massage it.
Nice.
Yeah, nice indeed. So you can have this one or any part of your body that is aching. So this is really good. See?
Yeah.
You can also add a little oil.
And my face.
Yeah. You can also put that one on your face.
Ouch. Ouch, no. Ouch, that really hurts.
Because it's so hot. Okay?
Hey, stop that.
You
baby.
can place this one like if imong baby is kanang giubo or karas-karas ang tutunlan.
Hey, that hurts.
Just make sure that you kanang dili too much ang init niya. Okay? So sorry bibi. So ana na lang. Try lang natin. Marag doktor. So this one. So kanang inyong bata nga giubo or like kanang magdysmenorrhea, you can put this one in your puson. Like kanang doktor. Okay? So this is the chunks of our prosperity ball. We also have a heart ball and a diamond. So this one, this is the purpose of this. You can, or even in your head, like magsakit ang ulo.
Ano ba? Aris na.
Ari, ana. Yeah. So, ana, kung magsakit inyong ulo. So, ako na lang pong i-feature ang amuang lamp. So, among altar, kay mo ni among gigamit, Himalayan lamp.
Nanay, bata din sa mukha.
Okay.